So Jamaica, YouTube big up on yourself, you know. Boy, I be a drama. The program just start and wow. People big up on yourself, smash a like, subscribe if you're new. You are going to know people. Now we switch part. Gunman rush Andre. People rough. Out the road real. Now, this whole situation I know. We not condone nobody I get stick up, you know. At the same time, the virgin a cry virgin and I say virgin. You will make the virgin them want forward again the way you move king. You see me? You can't go up on the internet and a ball virgin. It not look good, brother. You see me? And as well, everybody different still. You see me? You can't blame a person for how them are gonna react when them go through a situation like that. Especially a life-threatening situation, you know what I'm saying? Because you can say one thing and the person I feel like next way. But it's still not a good look for go up on the internet a ball virgin. You see it? No people. We switch part. Fully bad talk about the whole sting situation and I say, boy, Demarco overcharge, so him never get booked. See? And he must say, boy, really, right now, Kyodi can shoot once him get a show. And him have to clash. Make them do it, you see it? I mean, I say, boy, the artists them for just go at the clash, virgin, you see it? But you are going now. Coyote, people drop on the honest comment on that one. Coyote thing shot in a king, see? But the dog, like, I don't know if him shake up the thing what they are something, virgin. Like, from the freestyle, when him do on the fix, the people them a beat him bad. See? And now, the IRFM thing, this whole IRFM situation, they must say I get blackball and they must sabotage him thing. And now, people go check out the thing and they must say, well, them see why them never really want to put that on them platform. And I say, boy, the artist, nah, really fire. It's like, say, boy, the river did forward down on the gully bank and kind of out the flames. Them I say, Marcus, I want to go on over there. So, allegedly, the fans them I say, yo, right now, them the thing say, boy, Coyote, I gonna go up against Fully Bad right now. You see it? Now, people, when you want to see that clash there, drop it in the comment section. See it? Because since Marco out of the whole thing right now, because them say Marco use him brain and overcharge, because him know say, once him hit certain numbers, them are gonna say, yo, big man, I four artists money that, you know. I just a little show to see the people them come out and have fun and build where I build about the thing, you know. You are overcharged like four artist price. See? So next thing now, people. I mean, you have to love what you do still, you know, first, you know. But this is just one of them scenarios where it show you say, I just the money here, sir. I'm on the business about the fans. Cause you know say the fans them really want to see the show, you know. You see me? So me really feel say, yo, Demarco should just forward. You see me? Cause you're a big artist. We still not say you don't forget your money, you know, brother. Cause man forget pay, you know, brother. You see me? I will never forward on the platform and tell you that. Cause me want my paper straight up. So Jamaica way. You see me? So, but on another level now, Jed, you do it for the culture. You see me? When you say, when you want dance hall to get back on that scale, that level there, where people can really forward out and spend them hard earning money if you come support the item. See? So the item have to make certain say, them a protect them thing, bridging, and perform, bridging, and drop some fire content. You see it? Say people them can say yes. You know, the artists them still a do them thing and, you know, now follow where you hear certain man a step on the internet, cause right now, the internet is just like a big demolishing place of people just go and tear down your career. It's easy. Everybody turn vlogger. You see it? And then everybody have vlog about the positive things. You know what I mean? Perfect example right now. You see it? as bad as it looks, in worse things and that are going. And I can't even compare this with no worse situation. You understand me? Me did been a speak about the whole changing a image thing, and you have some people are beat in the comment section and go on wicked. You have to say, yo, it's just an opinion, virgin. You see me? Everyone should have the freedom of speaking their own opinion without a catch a heart attack. So I say, yo, here what I go on and know. When the General Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, 5-star General, Gladiator, Ground God, you see me? Say, him switch the image, he never got right with a lot of people. Not that, say boy, he man not do him thing, but when you make yourself a public figure for such a long space of time, remember, you know, brother, you have youth to grow up, you know. See me? To the killer, you know. You see me? So when them used to the character and that image there, and if you see the Dan go up on stage and perform, and me and one cat in the background, I say a thing, I say, yo, I would have never this Bounty Killer. You see me? I would have never even forward on a platform and size up the killer thing. Because you know, say killer, them man they burn them thing there to the fullest, you see me? So it's just a crazy thing how 1 minute you have to be careful what you're doing, virgin. You see me? Because things will just flip on you like this, like a switch, dog. Easy. People switch on you like a switch. You have to know that. Then again, virgin, a man there on stage in a very short shorts. Virgin. Don't know, virgin. You see me? Enough respect to the killer. I'm not this killer. You see me? And people, I'm gonna find something else. Right now, virgin, we need to see killer. They out there doing things. You see me? Killer, you don't have to remember in a virgin. Killer a big man now, you know, star. You see me? And for some reason, the man just say, yo, you hear me? Can't do the same thing forever. You see me? If you say, yo, if you give the killer a chance, virgin. You see it? When I say that move they did right, you know. You see me? But right now, virgin, the killer does get back him things straight, dog. I don't want to see nobody tear down the man. You see me? Find something more important for talk about. Killer, whatever you do, brother. You see me? Just make sure so your thing strong up, brother, and hold your head, G. Because we need to see you in the streets. You are the general, you know, brother. You see me? We not entertain nothing over here, so shake it on your name, general. Never that. So as I say, big up to the general and big up to the listeners, them and subscribers and the new one, them. You don't know the family, South Jamaica. People, we need to see the clash. So, Kyodi, drop on honest opinion right now. Other than if you say Kyodi, should burn up the place right now. Fully bad, fly out and I do big things. You see me? And remember now, Demarco still out there are doing thing and attack crazy. So Coyote right now, you have to just burn some fire, brother. So big up Coyote, big up Demarco, big up Bounty Killer. You see me? Yeah, man, and big up Fully Bad. Big up the listeners, them. South Jamaica. And make sure say, when you protect on yourself, you know. You see it? Because we just see a next virgin a ball, I say them rob him virgin, and it never look good if you see a virgin a ball online, I say them rob him, dog. That don't look good, you see me? So, all on the head, people. Yeah, man. Big up.